Want to make your Roblox game look more cinematic? Let's add lighting effects. Step 1. Open your game in Roblox Studio. Then go to the Explorer panel. Find the lighting object. It controls global lighting. Step 2. Customize the atmosphere in the lighting object. Insert Atmosphere for haze and depth, or Color Correction Effect for tint, or Bloom Effect for glow, or Sun Rays Effect for sunbeam realism. Step 3. Adjust each effect's properties. Bloom, increase intensity and threshold for a magic glow. Color correction, modify brightness and contrast. Sun rays, control intensity for dynamic sunsets. Step 4. Want local lighting? Add point light, spotlight, or surface light to any object like a lamp or torch. Test in play mode to see if all in action. Boom! Your game now looks next level with pro lighting effects. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.